Are you serious, Roxy? You won't even eat this?
Let me try. Okay, Dad.
Slowly. She won't touch this stuff. Well, she is, but I mean, one piece she spit it out, one piece she spit it out, one piece she spit it out. This stuff here, she gobbled down a good little bit of this.
Yeah, she just is certain ones she eats, and other ones she
Also got this stuff.
the brown ones.
Is she really picking through and choosing one little piece?
Yeah, she's eating the brown ones.
The brown ones only.
The
Look at the
ones.
mess she's making, dumping
Like the
everything.
rice ones.
Also got some of this Co-op brand stuff here. She didn't mind that. Move your arm. I got this stuff here. She used to like that stuff, and I got, there's the food she's normally on here. That stuff, Blue Buffalo. This Co-op brand stuff, she loved the first bowl of it. Now she won't touch it again. It's horrible food, but what a picky dog.
Do I grab a wins? Come on, work. Fight, pull.
Giving them both exercise at the same time. Are you holding up your pants yet or your gut?
Are you giving Grandpa exercise? Are you giving Grandpa's exercise?
Having fun, Proxy. Checking out the river shape here. It's the river's pretty rough. Don't go all the way that way, Proxy. You'll fall in and I'll have to pull you out. Okay, Proxy, you can clearly see something fell through there. Come on. Oh, but light can. Oh, that's why you came out. What did you see? What did you just see that just did that? That hurt. That was out of nowhere. Hey, off the ice. Off the ice, Poodle. Hey. Okay, go back. Go back. You got... No. Off the ice. I got a load of free plywood. Yes, I'm going to be using that for chicken coop material, goat coop. There's a bunch of 2x2 pieces over there. Lots of stuff here. And, yeah. Check this out. Just put it in less than 10 minutes ago. Not too bad, eh? Just wait till it's done. Just put them on here. They're going to be good for a while. The old man calls the one that's pure meat. And I'll probably eat that one, and that one, and that one. Oh wait, no, we gotta save Jordan some. Okay, I'll eat these two probably, give Jordan that one. This one's the old man's. This one even had his name on the bag because he wanted it so bad.
That's right.
That guy. They're nice rubbed, marinated for about, what, 30 seconds?
Yeah, something like that. This is my birthday supper, guys. Curtis is actually cooking me my birthday supper.
Yeah.
And he decided to barbecue my deer steak for me, so.
The only thing missing is beer.
Yeah, just the beer. But anyways, you got deer steak going there. And over here,
Oh, I got only a few seconds before I go and have
jerky going.
Quick. I'm going to run out of footage. For Instagram, that is.
Yeah,
Has to be under a minute.
it's coming along nicely.
Yeah.
So,
Look at that, eh?
There you go.
Look at that. What's up, Poodle? Hey. When are you going to start blowing your coat? Yeah. Hey. It's the old man's birthday today, and I made him some jerky.
Are you ready yet? Oh, yeah. It could go well longer, you think?
Yeah, well, I've only been in here for a little bit.
Good, though.
Keep your fingers out. You guys want to see how
Proxy?
this is made? The old man is editing up a video right now.
Are you going to prove it? You want Proxy to prove it? What do you think? You good?
She's like, whew, that's spicy. A lot of brown sugar and spices and that stuff.
You like?
Okay, Dad, that's for you.
I know.
So you're turning how old this year?
Old enough to be your dad. Gray-haired old man.
Hey, well, I think I have just as many gray hairs, man. Now, hopefully that wasn't in focus. Roxy, you're outside for what, 2 minutes? 2 minutes? Look at your face. It's all full of mud. Your paws.
Your back paw, like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes.
These shovels and different stuff she's been digging. That's the one there that she's really been going in, but now that it's all mucky like that, she has been staying away. That thing's probably finally out of the ground that I can throw it in the hole. Poor pressure washer is full of mud now. It's not going to work anymore. Look at your tongue. Look at your tongue. Did you just see how black that muddy that tongue was? Oh, Proxy, you gotta quit eating mud. That's not good for you. Let's see this side here that she's been really bad on. Look at this. All down there. Mud right across the sidewalk here. Proxy. That corner she's just starting into.
Okay guys, to my video, I want to add a shout out to a friend of Curtis's that's just starting up her YouTube channel. Her name is Karis Venustas, I believe is how it's said. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. But anyways,
we tried, he can't say it.
I tried, I can't say it, but I'll put a link below. And you guys can check out her channel as well. And yeah, she got some pretty good videos on here. I was laughing about this one here, this one called Jack. You guys gotta check that out, man. That is a funny video.
Sure, the one you like, hey Dad?
Yeah, check out that video first, and you guys, and then check out some of her goat videos.
What about the goats in the tub?
And she got videos of Proxy and Curtis and everything else. So check her out, guys. And you know, if you like what you see, you know what to do. So there you go. There's a shout out for her.
Where are you hiding, Proxy? Proxy? Really? Is that where you're hiding? You're laying in the frickin' mud. Were you just digging? I think you were. What is that? Really? Where are you going? Trying to go under the hose? Proxy. I don't even want to walk across there to drag you out of that. Like, you wonder why there's so much mud stuck to your fur, and you do it anyway. Like, come on. Well, at least you're not laying in the water, but... Proxy. Bad poodle. Proxy, what is this?
Are you need any toys for her or anything?
Nah, she has a few things at my house, but... Proxy, you're literally covered in mud. Proxy, you liking the back seat? You looking at what Grandpa's doing back there? He's just getting gasoline. Hey, 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 you can't come up front. Not you. Well, just made another stop. The old man's going to pick up a little food. Because I do got lots of food out there, but nothing he likes. He's picky. The good old-fashioned coop. That's where he's getting stuff from. And, Proxy. You seem like you're a little warm back there. Did you just eat too much mud, maybe? Yeah, you got your muddy, grimy paws. Yeah. You're already digging. You were here for less than 2 minutes, Proxy. A little swampy out here. Yeah, but it's melting pretty quick. But still a lot of snow in front of the quad. Yeah. Hey, shovel's still there. Yeah. Proxy, no, you already almost escaped once. I caught her right there. Yeah, you. Really? Really? Roxy, you gonna start doing that here now? The water's not up to your specs. You know that's carpet you're doing that to, right, Proxy? That has to hurt your nose just a bit. The old man's just untying stuff because he's worried someone's going to steal his ratchet straps off his truck from in the middle of my yard. Hey, Proxy, you want to harass a deer right here outside the window?
Open the curtain.
It doesn't open. Oh, fuck, it's already gone.
Serious?
Yeah, there's two of them, but they're already back. They're right here. Come stick your head underneath. Okay, let's play spot the deer. There's one there. There's one right in the center there. There's one right there. And let's see, in the background there, you can't really see them on camera, but there's like 6 of them straight in the center of the screen. And as you continue watching through that field, there's about 15 in total. Yep. Okay, truck's unloaded. Garden slash shed build area is all cleared out. Lots of plans to do here this summer, but not too sure if I'm going to get it done. I'm thinking of it. I might as well check my hydrometer. Cool. I was going to start up the scruffy, but I'm not going to do that this weekend. Too much snow. Are you egging my house? Make sure they don't go in the dog run. Hey, make sure they're out of my yard in the tall grass. Throw them back. Man, you're barely even getting them back there. Whatever. Yeah, good enough. Okay, I'm gonna go unplug the pooper. Okay. Gotta go unplug the heater and the pooper. Yeah. You're being bad. Look at the hole you dug. The whole sidewalk block fell down. Poochie. I think I'll get a shot of that before I go anywhere. I hope that landed on your head too, Proxy. Holy crap, you're almost underneath there. Proxy, what is that? You're almost, move your head, you're almost underneath my house. Proxy, you know if you go underneath there, what's going to happen to you? Yeah, who's going to pull you out? Hey, shithead. I just gave you shit for digging. Well, for not being shot in over 20 years.
There you go. First whole shot's gone.
Okay, she's good. Put her away. Let her sit for another 20.
Yeah, pretty much, I guess.
And there it is, a new vehicle added to our lineup. Brand new 2018. It's a Ford. I'm sure you guys know what model that is, but brand new one added to the fleet. About to take off to my house for the weekend. I'm gonna take Miss Proxy with me. Got a little junk to bring off or bring out to my truck. And yeah, see how the weekend's gonna go. Ready to go, Proxy? I gotta grab my jacket. Even though it's gonna be high plus what? Plus 20 outside. I'm gonna bring my jacket just in case. Proxy, did you poke that hole in that screen? Really? Proxy. And all those mud prints? Come on. Yeah, you go hide in your bedroom.